guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shreya and in today's video I'm going to share a festive haul. So in this haul video I'm going to share out all the ethnic pieces that I've shopped recently from Amazon, and Diwali is around the corner, so you can definitely get your hands on this ethnic pieces. So I have a combination of both the set ethnic wears as well as the single kurtas that we have. So I also have some Indian jewelry and some footwear. So let's start with today's haul video. So first of all, I'm gonna start the haul video with the kurta that I'm wearing right now. So it's a bright blue colored kurta along with embroidery. Down the line you get buttons. I'm gonna insert a picture right here where you can see how it actually looks like. It has a flare towards the end, and upper you have this floral embroidery work, and you get many color options also. So right now Amazon is having great deals and discounts going on, so you can just go on the website. I'm going to leave all the links in the description box below so that you can just click and go to the website and shop for it. Also, all the kurtas that I have in today's video, even all the ethnic sets that I have in this video, are really comfortable and with thin material. Talking about this has very light material which is airy, so that you won't feel very heavy in this kurta. Also it has good flare, so if you're someone who's looking for flary dresses this Diwali, this is a good option to go for. Let's move ahead with another product. The next item that I have in this haul video is an ethnic set. So it's a kurta and a palazzo set. So first of all, I'm going to share the kurta that I have. So it's a black kurta with golden colored design. So I'm going to show how it actually looks like. A plain printed kurta, like it's this black kurta which has golden design. Again, the material of this one is quite airy, although it's not see-through. Like, you don't need to worry about that. It's very airy and light, but it's not see-through, and it's a long kurta. Like, you can just have a look at the length of the kurta, and also it has golden colored print, the circles that you can see. So this is about the upper one, and also along with this we have a palazzo. So palazzo is a very flary bright pink colored palazzo, and the color combination is really good. So the black kurta matches suitably with this pink colored palazzo. So the palazzo that we have is again very flary, as you can just see, and towards the end we have this design which is made up of different tabs, and it also has yellow colored design. So you can just have a look. So this gives it a really good festive vibe. So this is how the palazzo looks like. So I'm going to insert a picture of all the outfits right here, so you can just have a look about how it looks like. If I'm not wrong, this also has many colors available, so you can check the link in the description and you can choose the color that you like. So now the next product that I have is gonna be footwear. So talking about the Indian wears, we also like to have Indian footwear. So this time I've got really good footwear from Amazon. So I've got one in the nude beige color. So this is how it actually looks like. So as you can see, the heels are really flat. You don't actually have heels in this, but there are also many colors available which has heel in them. And talking about this has like really good work over here. Like, you can just have a look. So this is the color that I have chosen. It's a light brown nudish kind of color, and you also have like different shades available, like yellow, orange and red. This would suit all the outfit because it's such a light color and it's comfortable, yet the sole here is hard, a little bit hard I would say, and there's like no heel. It's a flat one. The next product that I have is a jewelry piece. So I've got this silver colored bangles from Amazon. So you get like 12 bangles in this one, so it just came with this. So these are the silver bangles that I have got. So just have a look at this. This has like a really minor carved design over the bangles. So this is how the bangles actually look like. So this would suit almost all the ethnic pieces, and as you can see, the bangles are really thin and lighter, so this would be easy to carry as also well. For these bangles, they have like different designs and different sizes available, so do check it out. I especially love the silver colored bangles because this would go with all your festive outfits. So yeah, get yourself this silver bangles. Link will be in the description box below. Next piece that I have is again a clothing material, and for this I have a pair of ethnic kurta and palazzo set. So I'm gonna share the colors, and also I have the navy blue color in this kurta and palazzo set. However, this has like other color options available, like you have one more color which is black if I'm not wrong. So I'll leave the link in the description box, so you can just check it out. So first of all, this is how the kurta looks like. It has like a basic embroidery print, and it has buttons all over, like as you can see towards the end also. And this is 3/4 sleeve with a design and embroidery towards the end. So this kurta is really like a comfortable one, and the length of this one is also up till the knee. Along with that kurta, we have a white palazzo. Now this palazzo has golden print inside it. Yeah, so this has golden print as you can see, and towards the end it has like more designs of golden color, and this is like blingy golden, so that again adds to the festive vibe. So this makes a really good and comfortable pair, and I also love the material of this palazzo, like it's cotton again. So as I shared, most of the clothing items that I've got have cotton material, so that's really comfortable. The next item that I have in my clothing haul is this kurta. Now this is a very common kurta with a basic print, but however the print of this one is very festive, like especially I would recall Navratri seeing this kurta. So it's basically a printed kurta in black and brown color with red blocks. So this is how actually the Navratri vibe is, and the chaniya cholis are usually in this design. So this is a really good kurta. This is not a full sleeve one, this has like half sleeve, and although it looks so good. Now again, the fit of this is you have the narrow fit towards the upper end, and then again you have flare towards the latter part of this kurta, and this looks really good and would go well with silver junk jewelry and some dainty pieces if you are someone who doesn't like to wear heavy jewelry. So I really love the material of this one. Most of the kurtas that I have in today's video are cotton, so that you would feel really comfortable with those. Also this even has buttons throughout the length, so you can just have a look, and also this gives definition to the flare that it has. Now it's time for the next clothing item that I have in today's haul video. So this is like one of my favorite clothing pieces from this entire haul. Like if I talk about the number one item that I have from this haul, I would choose this. So I have this two-piece kurta from the brand Global Desi. So first of all, we have this beige colored kurta, which is a sleeveless one. So I'm just gonna show how it actually looks like. So you have this strappy golden beige colored kurta. So this is like a long maxi, it's not a kurta. You have this full length kurta right here, and the only part is you have this straps, and on that you have this black colored shrug. So I'm just gonna show how it looks like. Actually looks like, so you have this black and golden colored shrug, so it's a bit of see-through because of the beige colored strapless kurta that you get inside it, and this is how it looks like. The material of this one is quite good, like it's very light and airy, and talking about the beige kurta, it's cotton, so that you would feel really comfortable within this. And the length of this one is again a full length one, and also you get lace in front. So this is how it actually looks like. I'm gonna insert a picture right here so that you can have a better view of how it actually looks like. And out of all the outfits, I would say you should definitely check this out because this is on a great discount right now. So I'll leave the link in the description box below. The next product in my clothing haul is again a kurta. So it's a mehndi colored kurta with some embroidery work and some pom-poms in front. So this is how it looks like. This is from this brand known as Chimera, and towards the end the kurta is plain. Again, it's a flared one. So first of all, you have the work embroidery towards the upper side, and then you have the flare towards the later end. So this is how it looks like, and it's 3/4 sleeved kurta. So this also has like different color combinations available. So I'm going to leave the link in the description box. Make sure you check it out. Okay, so next up in my haul video is a jewelry set. So I always include jewelry sets when I'm talking about festive hauls or ethnic wear, because your outfit is defined by the jewelry that you wear. So for the jewelry, I've got a set of neck piece and earrings this time. So the jewelry set is the one which I'm wearing right now. So you can see the neck piece is a large design choker with a huge circle, and then we have this earrings with this. So I'll insert a close-up picture right here so you can have a look. Now this jewelry is from this brand known as Ubella. So many a times in my haul I have shown the jewelry that I get from there, and it's at quite affordable rates. So you can just check out the link in the description box, and you have many designs over there and many combos as well. So yeah, check it out. And I especially love the silver junk jewelry, and they have like wide options available in that. So check it out. And yeah, let's move to the next product. Now the last product that I have for today's clothing haul is a single kurta. Now this kurta is not the normal kurta that we have. It's like a kurta with an attached shrug. So this is how the design of this kurta looks like. Again, this is very bright blue in color, and inside it has this white material. Now this is a bit shiny material, and the design of the kurta goes on like this, like the blue end looks like a shrug attached to the kurta. So this is how it looks like. It also has this golden print, and the sleeves of this one are 3/4. I'll insert a picture right here so you can get a clear view of how this kurta looks like. Again, the material is really thin. Almost in all of the clothing sets that I have for this time, the material is quite thin and airy, and most of them are mostly in cotton. This one however isn't a cotton, and towards the end of this kurta you can see there are like big lace prints. This is how it looks like. So yeah, that was all about today's haul video. I'm gonna leave the links of all the products in the description box below, and as I mentioned earlier, Amazon has great discounts, so make sure you check it out and shop for your festive season. So I'm gonna see you guys in my next video.